Hello my dear students, I am your Deepa ma'am, class teacher of UKG. I hope you all are happy and healthy and studying through your online classes. Today I will teach you English. Children, do you know how many vowels are there in English alphabet? Yes, there are 5 vowels in English alphabet. A, E, I, O and U. As you have read vowel A and vowel E in the previous videos, today you are going to read the third vowel sound, vowel I. The phonic sound of vowel I is I and I. So let's read short and long sound of vowel I in your English book. All of you open page number 12. Vowel I. Look, read and understand the short sound of vowel I. Children, first of all you will see, then you will read, and at last you will understand the short sound of vowel I words. So let's start reading. In. In. The phonic sound of this word is I, N, in. Now we will add this in these words with these different letters. So let's start. B in, bin, bin. T in, tin, tin. W in, W sounds v in, win. In, bin, tin, win. Next, I sounds E. T sounds t. Eat, it. It, it. Pit, pit. P sounds p. It, pit. K sounds k. It, kit. F sounds p. It, fit. It, pit, kit, fit. Next, ig. I sounds E. G sounds g. Ig. Wig. W sounds v. Ig, ig. Ig, wig. P sounds p. Ig, pig. D sounds d. Ig, dig. Ig, wig, pig, dig. Next, ish. I sounds I. Sh sounds sh. Sh, ish. F sounds p. Ish, ish. Ish, fish. Wish. W sounds w. Ish sounds ish. Ish, wish. D sounds d. Ish sounds ish. Dish. Ish, fish, wish, dish. Like this. Ill. Ill. I sounds E and double L sounds L. Little stress on double L. Ill. Now read Fill. Fill. Pill. Pill. Grill. Grill. Because GR makes the sound of gr. GR sounds gr. Ill. Grill. One more time. Look, read and understand the short sound of vowel I. In. Bin, tin, win. It. Pit, kit, fit. Ig, wig, pig, dig. Ish, fish, wish, dish. Ill, fill, pill, grill. All of you open page number 13. Read aloud the long sound of vowel I. Here you will read long sound of vowel I words. Okay? And here in this page, all the words are related with vowel I's phonic sound I. All these words will be read with its phonic sound of I, not with phonic sound of E. Okay, in the previous page you have read all the words with its phonic sound E, but here in this page you will read vowel I sound with its phonic sound I. I-R-O-N, iron. K-I-T-E, kite. N-I-N-E, nine. P-R-I-Z-E, prize. Iron, kite, nine, prize. Some word families with long sound of vowel I. We will read here some words which is look alike and read alike. That's why these words are called word families. And we will read these words with vowel I's phonic sound I. Here is written I-E. These two letters are common in every spelling. So all of you see and try to read like this. R-I-C-E, rice. N-I-C-E, nice. L-I-C-E, lice. M-I-C-E, mice. D-I-C-E, dice. Rice, nice, lice, mice, dice. I-N-D, ind. M, ind, mind. F, ind, find. K, ind, kind. Gr, gr. Ind, grind. BL, blur. IND, ind, blind. Mind, find, kind, grind, blind. Once again, IE, FIVE, five. HIVE, hive. LIVE, live. ALIVE, alive. DRIVE, drive. One more time, IE, KITE, kite. SITE, sight. BITE, bite. WRITE. Children, here you will not say the sound of W means were. You will not read were. You will not start reading this word with were. You will write. You will read like this. WRITE, right, not varight. Right. W is silent here, children. WHITE, white. Kite, sight, bite, right, white. Five, hive, live, alive, drive. Now, IGHT, it. IGHT, it. Let's read this phonic with these words. In these words with these letters. NIGHT, night. RIGHT, right. LIGHT, light. MIGHT, might. SIGHT, sight. Night, right, light, might, sight. Let's read and understand. Children, you have to read these sentences and understand it also. Okay. First of all, see, here is given picture of two mouse. Plural of mouse is mice. Okay. M-I-C-E, mice. Now what is written below of this picture? White mice. W-H-I-T-E, white. M-I-C-E, mice. White mice. See this picture? A prize, P-R-I-Z-E, prize. A prize to the wise, T-O-2-T-H-E, the W-I-S-E, wise. A prize to the wise. A kite. This is the picture. A kite in the night. A K-I-T-E, kite. I-N in T-H-E, the N-I-G-H-T, night. A kite in the night. A five, F-I-V-E, five. Here it is given, the picture of a dice, and 5 number is here. A 5 on the dice. This is dice, children. Okay, and this 5 number is imprinted here. A 5 on the dice. A F-I-V-E, 5, O-N on, T-H-E, the, D-I-C-E, dice. A 5 on the dice. Like this, you will practice to read this page. Now all of you open page number 14. Here you will get an exercise named pencil flow. Match the given sentences with the correct picture. Read the sentence and match this sentence with this picture. Now next sentence is a 5 on the dice. Match this sentence with this picture. In this way you can do rest other examples. Children, you will get another work here on this page, page number 14, which is look at the pictures and solve the crossword. According to the pictures, you have to solve this crossword by filling these blanks. Like on the first number, here it is written W, and the first picture is this. This is the picture of a wig. Okay, and the spelling of wig is W-I-G. So here you will fill I-G. Now on second number, you all have to write the spelling of white. W is already written, so you will fill H. I is also written, you will write T and then E. On third number, see the picture? There is a kite. So write the spelling of K. I is written T E, kite. Now this is the picture of 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Next picture is on number 5, which is I-C-E, ice. Children, sixth spelling is night. N-I-G-H-T, night. The seventh spelling is mice. M-I-C, and E is already written. Now this is the last picture of this crossword. That is tin. Spelling is T-I and N is written here. This way you will do your work. The first spelling is wig, W-I-G. Second is W-H-I-T-E, white. Third spelling is K-I-T-E, kite. Fourth spelling is F-I-V-E, 5. Fifth is I-C-E, ice. On sixth number, you have to write the spelling of night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Seventh spelling is mice, M-I-C-E, mice. And the last spelling is T-I-N, tin. All of you open page number 15. Children, your next work is connect the pictures given below with the correct vowels. As you can see, here is given vowel A, vowel E and vowel I. And you have to connect all these pictures according to their spellings with these vowels. All of you see, this is the first picture, which is bed. And the spelling is B-E-D, bed. You have to see the first letter or the second letter to connect this picture with its correct vowel. In this spelling, E on second number, which is vowel. So match it with E. Next spelling is bell. B-E-double-L. Match it with E. Next picture is gate. G-A-T-E. So you all will match it with vowel A. Children, this is a picture of iron and the first letter I, which is vowel. So match this picture with I. J-A-M, jam. Now A is a vowel, so match it with A. This is the picture of pig. P-I-G, pig. And the second letter I is vowel. So match it with this vowel, I. Children, this is your homework to connect rest these pictures with the correct vowel. Do it by yourself.